Hey guys, and welcome back to another Queen Phone video. In today's video, we're going to do a speed comparison between the CoolPad Legacy, which is only $100 on boostmobile.com right now, or through like their store, versus the LG Stylo 5. This is a new LG Stylo 5. As you see, this is on Boost Mobile. It's $200, so there's half the price of So the CoolPad is half the price of the LG Stylo 5. So let's go ahead and do a quick speed comparison, see which one opens up faster. So here we go. Let's see which one opens up faster, guys. So you can see I push them at the same time. So let's see which one actually does a little bit better. Like I said, CoolPad Legacy is on the right, and the LG Stylo 5 is on the left. So they both have 3 gigs of RAM, both have a Series 4 processor, so let's see how well they do. So far, it looks like it might be a tie. So can the CoolPad, being only half the price of the LG Stylo 5, compete? And it sure does look like it's doing it. Alright, so there we go, they're loading. Let's see which one wins. Ooh, looks like the LG Stylo 5 took that just by a hair. To tell the truth, I mean, it was just by a hair, so who knows? Could have been a tie, but it does look like the LG Stylo 5 took that one. So let's go ahead and do a different game. Let's go ahead and do Asphalt 9. So there we go. Here's Asphalt 9. So let's see which one loads faster. Ooh, the LG Stylo 5 looks like it might be loading a little bit faster. Look at that. Sure enough, that was the LG Stylo 5 by just a hair. Not too bad though. Let's go ahead and do another one. Let's go ahead and do neck break. 1, 2, 3. Or breakneck, should I say. There we go again, guys. Looks like the LG Stylo 5 might be winning just by a hair, but is it really worth another $100? I don't know. Let's go ahead and keep going. Ooh, that one. Oh, wait a minute. Now, of course, you're getting mad. Got mad there too. So it might be actually the Stylo 5. I don't know. I don't like this comparison just because there's like ads on this game. So, oh crap. So definitely I wouldn't say that one was super fair, but let's go ahead and do Sonic Boom. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Look at that. Wow, LG Stylo 5 again, it looks like. Like I said, I'm clicking these all at the same time. This one's definitely, wow, hands down to the LG Stylo 5. Let me lower the volume, man. These things be loud. Alright, let's do another one. Something that could possibly be less graphic intensive. Let's go ahead and do Temple Run 2. 1, 2, 3. As I click it, but it just takes a split second for, looks like the CoolPad to even register my click. But I can guarantee you I'm clicking them at the same time, guys. Whoa, look at that. What? CoolPad Legacy coming from the dead, man. Look at that. And remember, for all you people that say, oh, I clicked late on this one, remember this one showed that I clicked later and still loaded faster than the LG Stylo 5, guys. Wow. So that one was definitely the CoolPad. Let's go ahead and let's do Jetpack Jack. 1, 2, 3. Also, this one, it looks like the LG Stylo 5 might be winning this one. Oh, wow. I would say the CoolPad kind of loaded maybe a hair faster. So kudos to them. So let's go ahead and do another one. Let's go ahead. Let's just do eBay real quick. 1, 2, 3. I would say it's almost a tie. Maybe the CoolPad on that one, just by hair. Let's go ahead and do another one. Let's go ahead and see which one. Should we do? Let's go ahead and do the camera. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the Stylo 5, definitely. But that one was, this one was front, this one was the rear. So let's go ahead and do that again. See which one loads now that they're both on the front. 1, 2, 3. Kind of had to load there. So let's close all these apps. Let's do it one more time. Make it fair. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, Stylo 5 still. Okay. Let's go ahead and do the calculator. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, CoolPad. Let's go ahead and do YouTube. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Looked like the Stylo 5 was a little bit slower, and definitely the CoolPad 1.